Hello everyone, welcome to Spicy Globe Life of DJ. This is my another food review for pizza burger, okay, along with French fries, okay. This place which I have ordered from is called as Mr. Menon's home cooked meal, okay. They provide home delivery as well. The details of their Instagram account as well as their number will be given in the description box below, okay. So I'm going to do a food review of this particular pizza burger and I'll let you know how it tastes. You can order it in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, okay. It is available only in Ujjain, okay. So yes, you can order it with the details given in the description box below for this place, okay. They have variety of food available, like different kind of vegetarian burgers, non-vegetarian burgers, vegetarian pizzas, and a lot of gravy stuff like paneer gravy food, sabzis, and a lot of gravy items are also available. A lot of veg and non-veg both items are available, okay. So whichever suits you the best. Since I am a vegetarian, so I have ordered like pizza burger. It's a vegetarian thing, okay. So yeah, let's not waste another moment and let's go and do a review out there, okay. Cool, let's show you first how it looks like, okay. So you know how it is like my home, how it is like that, you know. This is the burger, pizza burger, okay. The stuffing is like a burger, okay. Whatever stuffing is done in a pizza, the same stuffing is done in burger as well, okay. And the French fries, okay. So it looks good because it has corns, capsicums, and I don't know what it is called, the black one, tomato, onions, and sauces. Wow, it tastes so good. Like yeah, I just cannot wait to take a review. You know how I am when it comes to food, okay. So let me tell you how it is tasting, okay. So yeah, let's see. The taste is very similar to pizza. Exact how we make home cooked pizza, it's very similar to that. All the sauces are coming in my taste buds, okay. And cheeses, cheese is very good, plus the sauces are very delicious, okay. Like it's coming in my mouth, okay. And the cheese is melting down in my taste bud, which is very good. And it's very similar to pizza, guys, very similar to home cooked pizza. Wow. Let me tell you, it's looking like a very professional pizza taste, okay. It's not looking like, you know, it has cooked on in home, although it is, but it's looking very like very professional. The taste is very professional, it's very delicious. Um the burger is very crispy, at the same time the corns are very much tasty, plus the sauces, the taste of sauces are very good, okay. It has onions, capsicums, carrots, corns, um, a lot of sauces is there, and cheese. That's why it's making it way too delicious. It's very much like pizza, whatever we eat at our home, the pizza which we eat at our home, okay. So it's very delicious, and at the same time it is very much like a pizza. Trust me, it's not looking like a burger anymore, but it's looking like a pizza. Full on taste is like a pizza, which is very good, way too good, okay. and I cannot wait too much because I was waiting to have my dinner with this. Okay, so I'm going to grab this opportunity to eat it fully, and you guys like, share and subscribe. But before that, let me tell you how french fries is looking like. French fries is good. You know how it actually is. It's very crispy, and a lot of like, it's a peri peri french fries. Okay, so yeah, nice. It's crispy, very crispy. But pizza burger is like no match like a Ujjain thing. I've never seen this kind of dish in Ujjain at least. Okay, so it's very new in Ujjain basically. Okay, and it's looking very delicious. I wanted to try something very unique, something different, and that's why I ordered this one, because I thought ki, it will be very good and very crispy and very tasty. And I am not at all wrong. Trust me, out of 10 I'm going to give it 9.5. Okay, because the taste is very similar to pizza. If you really wish and willing to eat pizza, try this one out, because the taste is very similar to pizza, and the french fries is really 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 good. It's very crispy, and the taste is way too cool. Okay, so yes guys, okay, this is like a really nice one. Okay, I hope you like this, and I hope this you like this food review, and kindly order from the same. The details of the place is given in the description box below. The people of Ujjain can order it online, and the food delivery is always available at this platform. So you guys kindly order your stuff as well. There are variety of things available. Indian gravies are available, burgers are available, different kinds like burger, pizza is also available, french fries is available, momos are available, steamed and the boiled one, both. So you guys can order your stuff, veg, non-veg, anything which you like. Okay, I have ordered my veg burger. So yes guys, I hope you like this. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this, because it's way too delicious, and I cannot tell you guys seriously, like, it's a very saucy and very mouth-watering, very delicious. Like, it's way to egg number, because this is very unique dish. Like, it's not similar to anything else. It's way too different. So I don't have much words to express it, because this is very unique, and I have tried it for the first time basically. Okay, that's why it's like unique for me. Okay, I just want to tell you, try it out, and you will experience your own thing, trust me. And share your reviews after ordering your stuff, and comment down below how was it with you. Okay, how was the taste of it guys. Okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe to my food review of pizza, burger and french fries, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Spicy Globe Life of DJ. I hope you like it, and comment down below what all things you would like to see more. Okay, stay updated and notified. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye, take care.